Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how we can use the sound pool to be able to have more sounds on the track on the Syntakt. And that is pretty awesome because the Syntakt has only 4 analog tracks. So maybe you want to have more analog sounds in that one. So over here I have this super nice silky drum kick, but maybe I want something on the upbeat as well, like it's. So the way we do that is we actually load from the sound pool. So you do function and sounds, then you go into the sound manager, and then I need to search for something like teal. I think that one is fairly good. Let's see if I can find here. You can preview the sound by function and yes. Cool. So we press yes on that one, and then we do copy to the sound pool, because now it exists in the sound pool. So if we go over here and press the button and then we scroll this one, now we have the sound over there. Maybe make it a bit shorter. Okay, so that's interesting. Maybe we want to make a new sound as well that we want to use elsewhere. So let's go to another pattern like this. I'm still on the same track, but let's go in and add a noise. And let's try to make that one a bit. Maybe that sounds like a hi-hat, right? Okay, cool. Function and also the 3 dashes sound manager. And then you need to go over to the view pool over there. Let's go up to the top. And over here, I can go and say actually save to here, and now it's saved over there. And if I go back to the previous project, we're back here again, press down the key button, and there it is. Oh, there you have it. Maybe it's a bit high, and then we can copy this one, copy, paste. Cool. So, and remember, each of these steps can have separate sounds. And it also can have its separate settings, so it can change a lot. But you cannot change the machine as the separate sound. Then you need to store it over at the sound pool. So, and that was how we can make. Oh yeah, I will actually show one more thing that I like to use. So, if I go into the trigs over here, and then I set the volume specific on these, but remove them on the other ones, like. To make sure that they don't, then I can lower the volume of those ones, and then I can bring them back again. So that's a nice feature to be able to remove the extra sounds that you added on the track. Okay, that was it. Subscribe and like. This has been Matthias. Thank you very much, and goodbye.